Hey folks, a sun-filled day today, and with that some very warm temperatures. 89 right now in Rio Grande City, 87 in McAllen. Then a little cooler as you get to the coast, but still a very warm day. Dew point at 61, so it's not as humid as summertime, but certainly for this time of year, the humidity's up a little bit at 53%. Wind out of the south at 21 miles an hour, a little bit gusty across the area today. Overnight tonight, we bottom out in the mid-60s, and then look what happens tomorrow. We're right back up in the 80s again, but the wind shifts in the morning, and that northwest flow will bring in some much less humid air, much drier air. So the 83 tomorrow won't feel like today's 83. It'll be much more comfortable, much lower humidity, much drier air over the region. Normal high for this time of year, 75. We're going to be at 83 both tomorrow and Sunday. And then Monday we come back down courtesy of the next front, which will bring some more air in that will dry things out and cool it off for the middle part of next week. Satellite, been hard to find many clouds today, and future tracks suggest the only thing tonight will be some patchy fog, but then tomorrow morning this dying front pushes through, but it's just enough to lower the dew points, lower the humidity, and make it less humid during the course of the daytime tomorrow. So with bright sunshine, again, the thermometer will be pretty close to where it was today. The sky will look a lot the same, but it will feel way different because of the lack of the humidity in the atmosphere. Notice the moisture comes back in on Sunday. Humidity goes back up a little bit, so Sunday will feel more like today with temperatures again in the same neighborhood. And then Monday, another front pushes through. That one could trigger a shower when it comes in, and then less humid air comes back and cooler temperatures build back in for the middle part of next week. About a 20% probability for a shower with that front Monday. For the most part, though, we're dry through the weekend and dry most of next week as well. Here's a look at the rest of Texas tonight. 70s all the way up to Dallas, but there's a front right there. It's only 58 in Dalhart, so that's where the cooler air is in the state right now. And it's cloudy up there as well. Those clouds moving through this afternoon. There's our front, kind of a messy front. It pushes into the valley tomorrow morning, and the lower humidity air builds into the region. It's with us for about a day, and then it kind of fades away again on Sunday. But another front Monday comes through and again makes it cooler, and this looks like it'll drop us into the 60s for highs probably Tuesday and Wednesday, and then a little bit of a warm up with the return flow coming back in, maybe some showers by the end of next week. Traveling tomorrow, 56 in San Antonio to start the day. These are 7 a.m. temperatures around the state. By afternoon, most of the state rebounds into the upper 60s and low 70s, cooler in the Panhandle as you might expect. So for us for tonight, 65 with just patchy clouds around the area and patchy fog, southerly winds. Then tomorrow the wind turns around, it becomes sunny and less humid after that morning fog burns off. A high tomorrow of 83 degrees. We do the same thing on Sunday, but the wind's back to the south, so it brings a few more clouds in. Another front on Monday triggers a possible shower, and then look at the rest of next week. 65, 68, back to 76 on Thursday. Southeast wind kicks in, gives us a shower chance by the end of next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.